Hello XDC family and welcome back to Crypto Ready. If you want to be ready for crypto, then you are in the right place. Today we're going to be talking about ETFs and the $1 trillion opportunity. So I hope you will stick around to the end, as today's video is going to be explosive as usual. We shall continue right after this intro. And it's clear guys, we are ready for liftoff. Because you guys already know, Paul Atkins, the current SEC chair, is highly connected to XDC. And that is via the connections he has and brings to the table with Securitize and the likes of BlackRock. And talking about ETFs guys, we heard one of the founders of XDC telling us that ETFs are incoming for XDC. But we already have an ETP with 21 shares which is live right now at a price of $23. And now that the SEC has given the green light for ETFs are going to be everywhere guys, and it's going to bring a lot to the table for XDC because it's going to bring more awareness. It's going to allow investors of all sorts from around the world to be able to legitimately invest in XDC. And the bottom line here guys is that it's going to bring a lot more liquidity than people can ever imagine. It's going to be trillions in the longer term. Because as you can see this prediction from PwC, ETFs 2029, the path to $30 trillion. Growth in global exchange traded fund assets under management continue to soar, with no sign of abating as a significant number of new ETF issuers enter the market over the past 12 months. But the coming 12 months guys are going to be very telling. Crypto is going to be leading the future of ETFs. Crypto are going to have ETFs bigger than any stock bond you have ever seen. Because don't forget guys, people are going to be investing in XDC ETFs in the very near future, because XDC is not solving just one problem, not just trade finance. It's RWA, it's cross-border value, it's a bit of everything, and they know the opportunity is too big to ignore. XDC at below 10 cents for retail, this is a lifetime opportunity guys, so please do your own due diligence and invest responsibly. But you know where XDC is gonna go. XDC is gonna go past the damn moon in the coming months. Let's now talk about asset tokenization, the next $16 trillion opportunity. I believe that is just the beginning number. This opportunity is going to be hundreds of trillions because you want to tokenize everything of value in this world. And XDC is the one and only regulated coin with different countries. So global wealth is growing fast, 38% plus by 2027, and investors want transparent, liquid, accessible markets. And tokenization delivers exactly that, right? Fractional ownership of real estate, art and RWAs, lower cost and fewer middlemen, immutable, programmable and transparent rails. 30 billion today, but it is projected to reach $16 trillion by 2030, which is 10% of GDP. And while we're talking about trillions of dollars, let's talk about market caps. Can XDC achieve a $1 trillion market cap? Of course it can. Because as we know, the opportunity is hundreds of trillions in the next few years, and it's going to be leading to quadrillions of dollars as DTCC moves $5 trillion plus every single day. Over the year, they move quadrillions of dollars. Just imagine tokenizing everything of value in this world. Once everything is on the blockchain, guys, that is going to be a bigger value than DTCC combined with everything else. It's going to be so big, guys, you won't be able to even pronounce them numbers. So yes, in the longer term, I believe we're going to have utility cryptos leading with $1 trillion market caps. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So it's very clear guys, the tech works, right? It's now about scale. Tokenization isn't hype, it's how finance gets built. And the benefits of tokenization are too big to ignore. For the average person, the retail, they are probably never going to have to understand how all this works. But the benefits are going to be seen across the board. Even the smallest person in the chain is going to know how much easier their life is being digital and being on the blockchain tokenized. Because now the little person will have access to something they never had access to before. They can be involved in things that were never possible before. We're talking about fractional ownership of real estate. You can't do that right now. But in the future, everybody can take part and grow together. So we're going to be keeping a close eye on tokenization, guys, because this is the elephant in the room, and XDC is leading this transformation. And talking about the future, guys, the current system is definitely collapsing by design. It's been made to die out, be replaced by the future technology, which is blockchain. And it's very reasonable to say that you're not going to have millions of cryptos, but the ISO compliant cryptos that we cover on this channel on a regular basis are going to be the ones that are going to be leading the next bull run and the future of this world. The quantum financial system isn't a conspiracy, it's the replacement. XRP, XLM, XDC are the keys. You either position or get left behind. And even though this tweet from Elon Musk is not real, do you really think they are not already heavily invested into the future of finance? Do you really think they don't already know what the ISO standard is and what it's going to do for the world? As surely and slowly everything goes live with more and more liquidity, do you really think that these cryptos which are ISO compliant are going to remain at the prices they are today? Because over the last few years, guys, we have seen that the ISO compliant utility driven cryptos have given the best gains, better than Bitcoin, better than Ethereum. But over the next months to years, you're going to see the biggest bull run and you're going to see the biggest returns you have ever seen in your life, because utility is gonna win the day. So all I'm gonna add here, guys, is ensure that you are doing your due diligence and investing into utility. Moving on to today's amazing deal from Cypherock. This is the highest rated hardware wallet in the world by Coin Bureau. Cypherock's X1 is the world's safest hardware wallet with non-custodial inheritance. So as you can see on the screen, you have this small device with 4 cards. 4 backup cards. You have to use this card to tap on the device before you authorize any transactions. So this gives you 4 chances before you lose anything. So this is the most secure wallet I've ever seen, guys. I believe it is one of the best out there today. And Coin Bureau has given this wallet 4.8 stars. And this is because Cypherock's X1 is a hardware wallet employing encrypted NFC-based cards to store users' private keys and seed phrases. And this wallet offers you an industry-leading secure option if you're looking to protect your assets and mitigate the risks associated with seed phrases. With portfolio management and the ability to act as a seed phrase vault for up to 4 wallets, the Cypherock is one of the most secure wallets they have ever reviewed. The Cypherock X1 wallet normally is $200 plus. Right now it's priced at only $174. And if you use my link in the description, you will then get a further 17% off this price. And as you can see, they support more than 9,000 digital assets. You can import and secure up to 4 existing seed phrases using the X1 Vault. They are an open source wallet. They have an EAL6 plus robust hardware security, bank grade security inside the X1 cards. Every single transaction requires you to tap your card onto the device, which gives you a lot more security. This is security to another level. And as you can see, we have more than 1,600 ratings with 4.9 stars. Talking about the X1 Vault, it has a dual chip architecture for offline computation and verification. It never stores the complete private keys to your crypto. And this device has many features. It has an OLED display, joystick, USB-C type support for seamless communication with your PC. So it works with every PC and maybe every single phone device now, because most of the phones now use a Type-C. The X1 cards are encrypted NFC-based smart cards with EAL6 plus secure elements, which simply means they have exactly same secure hardware as that of your bank's credit card, making Cypherock X1 the best crypto wallet. It has encrypted communication, and the X1 wallet is so durable that it can support more than 500,000 plus taps. And it is data persistent. It retains your secure data for at least 20 years. So this is basically like your personal Fort Knox. And the best thing is they have one platform to manage it all. The SciSync app comes with your Cypherock X1 to help you seamlessly manage your crypto. I have been using Decent Ledger for a long time now, but since I've seen Cypherock, guys, I think it's gonna change the game forever. It's one of the best securest wallets in the world. If you search online, guys, you'll find good reviews everywhere. So right now, guys, it's on offer for $174, but if you use my link in the description, guys, you can then get a further 17% off. So guys, secure your generational wealth today with Cypherock.